about her.
Hey guys, in today's video I want to share my living room tour, kind of. It's not a complete apartment tour because my bedroom, restroom, and laundry room, it's pretty blah. We're not really gonna go in there because when I moved here I put a lot of attention into the living area because I know it was where I was gonna spend most of my time, and I needed kind of a few different rooms in my living room area. How my apartment is kind of set up, there's, you know, the kitchen here as you can see, and then there's a big open space, so I kind of divided it into my dining room, living room, and office area. So I'll just go ahead and share with you guys kind of some of my favorite items, and hopefully you guys get some ideas for your own space. So as you can see, my kitchen is here. It's a pretty boring kind of galley style kitchen. Here it's kind of like a bar area. I'm sure you could put, you know, there's a little lip so you can put stools here, but I just went for a dining table. But over here is my favorite part of my kitchen, and this is just some jars that I got from the At Home store, I think it's called. And they're just clear with copper tops, and they have the kind of chalkboard on the front where you can write what's in them. Some of mine are empty, so I need to restock some of those, but I love, you know, this little area. Coming over from my kitchen is my little coffee nook, or, you know, coffee station. I have my Nespresso machine with the milk frother. I have, as you can see, I love coffee. I have a coffee grinder and also my kettle that I use. And then here I have my like manual brewing methods, my pour over, my mocha pot, my French press. As you can see, I love my coffee, so I spend lots of time in the mornings messing around with this stuff. My dining room area, I absolutely love this dining room table that I got from Target actually. I got it, I forgot how much, but it was very inexpensive. This is a very popular table because it kept selling out on me. Every time I would add it to my cart, it would sell out in the process of me trying to buy it. So I finally got my hands on it. And I think it's from a Mud Hut. I think it's Mud Hut brand. I have a few things in here that I'll show you guys from that brand. I'm not even sure if they still sell it, because y'all know Target kind of changed things around. So I got this beautiful wood table, and then the chairs that I got for the table, I got these from Wayfair in a set. And they come in all kind of different color combinations and everything. These are very popular, as I'm sure you guys have seen these a bunch of different ways. And on here I just have a little fake flower arrangement from like TJ Maxx or Home Goods, one of those stores. And then I have these really cute salt and pepper shakers from Target, and they're copper. And then the bench is from Wayfair, I believe, and it was very inexpensive as well. So that's the little dining area. And then moving over here next to the dining area, I have my little bar. Not much on it, but it's so useful. You know, a couple things. I have my copper kind of barware. This cute little candle thing that's not on, so you guys can see what it looks like. It's really cute. And that's from the At Home store, I think. And on top of my bar, I have this really pretty cork box that my boyfriend got me a couple Christmases ago. And it says Martianna's therapy box on it. And I'm not an alcoholic, but I did go through a huge wine phase that I loved when I first started really getting into trying different wines. So it's a lot of corks over a couple years. So that's a little wine area, and have one bottle of wine in here, and this is Game of Thrones. Who's a Game of Thrones fan? And I plan on drinking that the next time I watch Game of Thrones. So moving into my living room area, one of my other favorites because it's just so cozy and I love the colors. As you guys probably noticed, I love very like high contrast type color schemes. So I have you know, the whites, creams, the dark, you know, rich browns, and the rich copper. So I love those colors. My sofa is from Rooms to Go, and it was very affordable. And again, and I even had this when I had my little studios. But it's at the end of its lifespan, but it served me well. It's still very comfortable. And the pillows are all from different places. Target, not Wayfair, Target, At Home, and I think TJ Maxx or Home Goods. And then my blanket was a gift from my boyfriend's mom for Christmas, and I absolutely love this. I cuddle up with blankets all the time. I have another blanket collection that you guys will see in a little bit. And on the side tables, I just have these lamps from Home Goods, and I have my Google Home here, and just a little fake succulents as well. These drum copper tables I got from Target on clearance. And I think they still have them. They must have like restyled them and kind of re-released them again. But I love those. And then moving to my coffee table. This is also from Target, and it's the same as my dining table from the same line. And on top I just have a copper tray from the At Home store. I have some coffee table books, candle, remote controls, that kind of things. Coasters and some little knickknacks. This is a piece of coral from Cuba on the beach. And also some seashells that broke from Cuba as well. Moving on, in front of the coffee table and everything is my entertainment system area, I guess. Do people still call it that? I feel like entertainment systems are so throwback. But here, TV stand. This is from Wayfair as well. It sort of matches the shelf that I'll show you guys in a second. But this is kind of, you can configure this shelf like a couple different ways, so it's not like you don't have to keep it this way. I don't know if you guys can really see that. It's like two different pieces. But in here I just have some knickknacks. I have this really pretty tortoise shell from Target. It's from the same line as my tables. And then some candles, other little stuff in there. Above my TV I have Stanley II, and this is my stag head. I got him from Kirkland's. I had a smaller one first, but when I moved he committed suicide and just jumped off the wall. So he's RIP Stanley, but we have Stanley II here now, and he's bigger and better. But when I bought him, he had some distressing on him, but it was like a really dark grayish color, and it didn't really match to me. So I had some copper paint, and I just went in and painted over the dark distressing that was on him, so it kind of gives him more of a luxe vibe, I feel. So he matches better with my decor. And I just have some fairy lights kind of strung around his antlers. And flanking him, I just have some arrows that are here and on the other side as well. And moving over, I have my, what is this called? Love seat, settee. It can be called a couple different things, but it just has some pillows on it that I got from Target, and this is also from Target as well. And I love this little thing, it's so cute. Next to the sofa and the love seat, I have another side table, and I have this bookshelf. As you can see, it kind of looks similar to the bookshelf that, well, the TV stand. It's kind of, you know, those like weird cube shaped things. And on the bookshelf I just have some random little knickknacks. A lot of the stuff is from Target, Home Goods, just little random things. This globe here I got from Target. Yes, Target. It's the same brand as the tortoiseshell and the tables as well. And over here is my office area. I just have my desk from Target, chair from Target, and then my little makeup things. I think all of these little copper accessories are from Target as well. And then this Love Lives Here sign that I think is from Target too. I might have gotten that on clearance, or I believe my mom may have purchased it for me. Continuing on with wall art, I forgot to mention I do have this big world map. and I can't remember where I purchased it from. I might have to do a Google search to find it. But I was looking for one that kind of had the browns in it that was like high contrast with the white. And I found the perfect one, and it's nice and big, and I just love it. I did want to get some little like copper pins so I can pin areas that I've traveled to, but I just haven't gotten around to doing that. So I still have to get those. And then the last little area, this wall, kind of in the office area, has this triptych that has a tree, and it's, you know, like a soft mossy green color, and I just love this. And I'm not sure exactly where I purchased this from either, so I'll have to do a little bit of research so I can find some links for you guys. And in this little corner, I just have a chair. This is an extra chair from the dining room, and it was on the end, but I felt like it was getting in the way of the walkway, so I just placed it here as like a space for, like, since I have nothing here. I feel like a little tree or something like that would have gone really nice here, but I just never got around to getting one. And over next to the balcony area, and next between the balcony and the TV, I just have my little blanket basket that has tons of blankets. I'm a huge blanket person, and I love to just cuddle up on a sofa with a bunch of blankets. So I have lots here. I get lots of use of those. So I hope you guys found this video somewhat helpful and found some good tips on how to split up your space. I'll try and leave some links in the description box of the items that I can find, if you guys are interested. And if there was an item that I don't link or that you saw in the video that you really liked, you can leave a comment, and I will try and find a link for that specific item for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.